everyone, Jamie Dougherty here at the Ranger booth. I'd like to show you the quickcure clay. So quickcure clay is exactly what you think it is. You cure it quickly with your heat tool. So you don't have to have a kiln, it's not air dry, a couple of minutes and you have a finished piece that you can use any art medium over. So I've already sculpted this piece out of our neutral or natural clay and our black. It's still warm, so what I'm going to do is utilize that heat and I'm going to pour on some of our embossing powder in speckle, and it's going to actually emboss while it sits on the clay because of the heat. So I'm going to kind of move that around a little bit, let the heat do its work. The nice part about the clay is it's not going to dry out. If you leave it out on the counter, I have some out on my work table here, it's not going to sit and dry out or crack. It's going to stay just as pliable as it did when I opened the bag. I've had some sitting out for months and it's the same as it was when I first received it, which is really nice. It's 6 times stronger than polymer clay. You can use it on the front of albums. You can make embellishments with for your scrapbook or cards. You can put it in molds, so you don't have to know how to sculpt to use it. You can utilize it in many different ways you would a regular polymer clay for your crafting needs. So I'm just adding a little bit of embossing powder here and there. And you can see here where the heat is already turning the embossing powder.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
And what's that called?
It's quickcure clay.
The embossing.
The embossing powder is the Flurries speckle line.
That's so pretty.
Yes, thank you. I'm going to hit it with the heat tool one more time just to kind of get any of the missing areas that quite didn't pick up. And it gives it a nice pretty enamel finish.
Oh wow, that's so pretty.
And you can use any art medium over the clay. You can use alcohol inks. Like I did here, the alcohol inks, and then added a little bit of acrylic paint to it. Oh, wow. So you can mix and match your mediums as well. That's so cute. Yeah, that we use the pearls, the pearl powders over the top of some alcohol inks just to add a little bit of vibrancy to it. This was a workshop that I taught yesterday, and to give you an idea of how quickly you can sculpt with it, we got done with under 2 hours, start to finish, with our project. And it's strong, durable. Here's our little piece here, and I'll later on make an album cover out of this one, like our other little books.
Oh yeah, kind of like something like this.
Yeah. The little mini junk journals are popular right now, so it's a way to kind of make them unique and your own, with your own characteristics.
So pretty.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.